Okay, before I go into the video of showing you how to solve your bypass, your blow-by bypass for now, so you can get your car easy to start, I'm going to show you really quick how easy and start this now. I did have issues before starting the car because there's a lot of moisture in there, and we thought it was like rain or whatever. We thought it was rain, snow, and if it's like a lot of moisture in the morning or warm out or whatever, we always have issues, and that is contributing to that. But after I install the oil catch can, I actually have less issues now. So I'm going to turn on the engine so that way you can see how fast it actually starts. See that? Starts right away. Normally I would have to crank, or I have to step on the gas or whatever in order for the car to start. Sort of like opening up the butterfly up bigger just to get the steam out or whatever. But since I installed the oil catch can, most of the moisture has been captured and it's venting, so now the car starts right away. So I'm going to start the next video here. I'm going to pause it and I'm going to start the next video here to show you all the steps that I took and stuff. Anyway. Okay, today I am going to show you that how to solve a blow-by the cheap, cheesy, easy way until you get it fixed. I don't know if I'm going to get this car fixed, but this is the best method I found so far recently. If you look at up here, you see all that right there. All the water, the coolant, you can see the color in that. I'm going to zoom in really close. See how it's kind of green? Okay. I have the engine on right now so I can actually show you. And if you look at here, you can see a lot of smoke. I left this engine on for a little while. See how much smoke coming out of there? A little bit, but that is just too excessive. This engine been running for about less than 10 minutes, and you see a bunch of smoke coming out. You see it's fogging up. See that? Also too, another way is to open this, your cap, your oil cap, and look at it. That's the first sign. You see all the moisture right there. And if you put them on here, see that? White background, can't really see it, but there's moisture on there, see? And it's kind of green. And then, if you look at it, you see how much steam coming out of there? Now that's not too bad. Look how much steam coming out of there. It's not too bad. But I know for a fact that I have a lot of blow-by right now. I don't know which cylinder it is, nor do I care. I just wanted to leave it until we get a new car. And we're gonna drive it like this. Because I know it's gonna last for a long time. How I did it, at first I installed the oil catch can. I thought the oil catch can would help me to catch the oil to keep the engine cleaner. But within just like about few hundred miles, I got a lot. The last time I emptied this, I'm going to show you. And I kept a log. If you look at it, it's only 87 miles. Okay? With that 87 miles, I'm going to show you how much I catch in the can. I'm gonna pause the video so I can shut the engine down, so I can sneak down there to get the can out for you, and I'm gonna record it after I shut the engine off. Okay? I'm gonna shut the engine off right now, because you saw how much blow by I got there. Now, I'm gonna reach in here and I'm gonna get the can out. Okay. Hold on. Let me put the camera down a little bit. Sorry, working with just two hands. I'm gonna put the camera down, I'll take it out, and then I'll show it to you how much I get. It's just 87 miles. Oh boy, this thing is hard to get out. And this is how I know that this engine have coolant leaking in, because it's actually green. And our coolant is green. So I know the coolant water is leaking in. Okay. I finally got it out. I wish I had a cup so I can actually show it to you how much I got. But you can probably see. Alright. You ready for this? I'm gonna put them on the ground. Look how much water I got in there. See that? Imagine 87 miles. That's how much I got. And remind you, the other side is vented out. So if I pour this into a puddle, I wish I have a cup, but I pour it into a puddle, you'll be able to see. Right here. Look at that. It's running really fast right now. Now it's kind of green, a little bit of oil, that's it. But look how much water I got inside from here. That's only 87 miles. So that's when I know for a fact that this engine have a blow-by. If you look at it, there's still a little steam coming out of there. And all around the ring right here, you can see water coming out. See that? And in order for me to solve this, I would have to leave it just like that. And that is a lot. We're talking about a lot. I forgot to zoom out so you can see. That is how much I got on the ground right there, leaking all the way through here. And look, there's a big ass puddle from here all the way to here for 87 miles. That's just 87 miles. And that's how much I got already. And that's when I knew there is coolant leakage into the engine itself. Now, before I did this, the car had a lot of issues starting because there was so much moisture in there. Once I installed this, it was no longer having starting issues. And I'm able to catch all that out, and I'm able to vent all that out. And I don't have to fix the engine right now. I mean, I probably would, there's no way that I'd be able to, I mean, maybe a head gasket has already been damaged. Maybe I'll try those things that are on the market to stop the blow-by. I'm not sure yet, maybe in the summer. But as of right now, to get through this, the cheap way, is a $15 catch can. That would save you a lot, because you can tell, like I said, you can tell right there, how much water, green stuff accumulate from there. See that? It accumulates right there, and it's green. So that's when I knew I'm having issues, blow-by issues, and it's actually leaking out, and it's giving this car a problem to start all the time. But now it won't, because I installed an oil catch can. Now in this case, it's not catching the oil, it's actually catching the coolant that causing the car to hesitate starting. And like I said, by putting the oil catch can in, it solved my issue. So if you don't have like money to fix them, or if you don't feel like taking the whole engine out, just replace the gaskets, or whatever your reason is, your best bet, if it's not a lot, then your best bet is to install an oil catch can to catch the steam. By doing that, you're drying up the engine. It has somewhere to go. The moisture has somewhere to go, and your car will start right away. So that's the tip for you right there. Easily solved until you tackle this job, because like I said, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be like taking everything apart. Like most of this right here, imagine taking all this apart right here. It's gonna take me a while to fix this damn thing. I mean, most of the thing's gonna have to take out. I mean, if I had blow-by in or leaking in there, you can tell right there it's all gunky and wet. That's the sign right there of oil. And like I said, a little bit of oil, but there's more sign of water, because like I said, you just touch right here and then touch right there. Look at that, and it's green. So you can tell right there that coolant is leaking into the engine. So that's how you would know. That's how you would know right there that having issues with the blow-by. Sorry, my dog he found another dog. They were walking, but anyway. So that's how you stop it. And also too, if you check around here, your water pump and everything, if you see a little leakage around there, that's another signal too. So to recap this, my blow-by signals, first and foremost, you're gonna see a lot of water or green, like if you put green or red, the red type of like GM recommended the whatchamacallit, the Dex Cool, we call it Dex Kill. If you see coolants leaking throughout or whatever, or underneath the car, or even down here, if you look at it, because it drips all the way down there, that's when you know. That's sign number one. Sign number two is that if you take this hose out, your breather hole, and just vent it out while the engine is on, and you see a lot of steam coming out, that's sign number two. You can take your PCV valve out and then look at it, or leave it while the engine is running and you see steam coming out of there, a lot of steam coming out of there. That's number three. Last but not least, and most people would know, take your oil cap out. If you take the oil cap out and you see a lot of steam coming out of there, like I had it earlier today, like 10 minutes ago, when you see a bunch of steam coming out of there, that's another sign right there. Like I said, the quickest and easiest way I found to solve this issue right now, it's an oil catch can. Instead of catching the oil, you're catching the steam, so that way you will start the engine a-okay and blah blah blah, all this stuff. So anyway, I hope that this video will help you, and I hope that someday you can probably solve this your problem with the blow-by problem. But as of right now, I can't be doing that. It would take me too much time to take everything out. So instead of solving this right now, since it's not a lot, I'm just gonna use the catch can to catch steam, so that way the engine will start. But once you do that, everything starts fine. It starts up quick. It helps us to start up quick, easy and simple, and also too, it'll keep your engine run too. Oh, and I forgot, if you see a lot of smoke coming out of your, like steam smoke coming out of your pipe or dripping pipe, like if you see like water dripping on your pipe, your tailpipe, that's another sign too. But, and also too, another sign is that you have to replace your coolant all the time. Like right now, if I look into that, oh, it's filled up. My dad probably just filled it recently. But that's another sign too, that you have to replace this all the time. Like every few days, he would have to go and refill this, because the amount that is coming out of there, it's a lot. So that's another tip right there too. So if you find this video and you just want to get by for now, try the $15 method, solving it for 15 bucks for now. But if you have excessive blow-by, then you have no other choice but to fix it. But you just have a minor issue, or you don't know for sure yet, or whatever, then your easiest way to solve this is an oil catch can. Anyway, good luck, and I hope this video would find useful for you.